Hi, my name is Steve Johnson. I've been a licensed and insured contractor in the state of Minnesota. Years of working in the field and listening to clients has inspired me to design and create new products for those areas of the home in need of innovation. The Hold Tight Handrail is one of those ideas. It is designed especially to make garage stairs safer, but can be used anywhere inside or outside of the home. The Hold Tight Handrails are strong, cost-effective, and easy to install. They come in powder-coated metal or wood and can be either jam-mounted or wall-mounted. These handrails eliminate the need for posts and the difficult job of hammer drilling holes in the cement floor. Check out the options, read the reviews, and you might find out that the Hold Tight Handrail might be the perfect solution for you or your loved ones.